No-code tools let you build faster than ever. Websites, apps, even full businesses. But here's the problem. Most hosting platforms were not built for this new wave of creators. The #1 platform isn't just built for developers. It's built for creators. The ones who care more about building than configuring. Which is why in this video, I'm going to show you the #1 hosting platform for any vibe coding app. This is a quick website that I built out using Lovable. Now, you don't have to use Lovable. You can use this to deploy any app out there. But I just made this quick website up as a media kit for some sponsors that have been reaching out to the channel, and I figured I'd show you guys how I'm going to host it. To start out, the first thing we need to do is we need to make sure that this has a GitHub repo, which this one does here. Once you have a GitHub repo ready and connected, we can actually hop over to Railway. Now, Railway makes it really easy to deploy any app that you want, so long as it has a GitHub. So we can click over here on New and deploy from a GitHub repo. We'll configure a GitHub app. We will add it for only select repositories, and I'm going to select the one that we're looking at now. All right, so I've got the repository selected. Let's go ahead and install this real quick. Beautiful. Now we can actually deploy from GitHub repo and select the repository that we selected previously. We'll click that. And as you can see, it's already deploying. It's pretty easy. It's a couple of clicks. Just give it a little bit of time. All right, now it says it's been deployed, so there's a couple of settings that we need to edit here for this to be exposed to the internet. Let's go over to settings. First thing, wait for CI is really good because then if you ever push any updates directly from Lovable, it'll automatically update and redeploy. We'll go ahead and click that. Next, under public networking, let's go ahead and click generate domain. Now we can add our own custom domain here with some DNS settings, and I'll show you guys that in a minute, but we're just generating that. And I believe that's the only thing we need to configure. So let's go ahead and click deploy again. Give it a moment. It'll take about 3 minutes. And let's see what it does. So let's go back over here to settings and then just click on this link right here. And we can see it's already deployed, ready to go and beautiful. So now if I make any changes right here directly on Lovable, it will automatically update this URL. Now that's cool, but we want a custom URL, right? So go ahead and log into wherever you bought your domain name or are hosting your DNS. For me, that's Cloudflare. Sweet, so we got logged into our Cloudflare. Now let's go back over to Railway and enter in the domain that we want. So let's try testing.horizon.dev. It says it's available, and here we're going to make sure we select the port, which is the only port that's there. Click add domain, give it a minute, and it's going to tell us what we need to add on the Cloudflare side. So let's copy this, CNAME testing, and then this value right here. So we'll put type, we'll put CNAME, we'll put here testing, and then we'll put this, and then we'll actually turn off the proxy for now, and we'll click save. All right, we'll go back here, and it says validating domain ownership. Now this can take a while. Generally speaking, it only takes about maybe 10 minutes. Look, it's already found it. It's valid. It's adding a SSL TLS certificate. So it says setup is complete. So now we can go to testing.horizon.dev and we can see that the page is updated. So now anytime I do updates on Lovable, it automatically goes to testing.horizon.dev. So I can build an entire application out really quickly and host it like that, and it's absolutely amazing. If you're tired of config-heavy platforms and you want something that just works, fast, flexible, and made for your workflow, then this is the platform you've been waiting for. Check out the link down below and start building with zero friction.